Today we're checking out the Godox ML100 RGB. Inside this carry case you can find a lighting accessory so you can mount the light on a tripod or stand. Also, you will find a little cloth for cleaning the light, of course a power cord, a user manual, and a reflector that makes this light more powerful. Just to let you know, this light comes with a mini Bowen mount, so if you want to use your Bowen light accessories, you can purchase separately the MLGV Bowen adapter, so you can go from mini to a big Bowen mount. The ventilation of this light is amazing. You will not have any problem with overheating at all. This light has a wide color temperature range from 1800 K to 10,000 K, which means you can go from warm sunset vibes to crisp daylight. Also give you full RGB spectrum, 13 FX modes, and all of this is controlled via Godox Light app. Also, this light is CRI 96 Plus and the maximum output is 100 watts. Actually, this is a job I did for a client in Chicago and I just love how easy it is using this light. As you see, I only use this light for the whole photo shoot and video. The only thing is that I adapt a softbox with the Bowen adapter I bought and it worked flawlessly. Thank you to Godox for sending me this light. I'm enjoying a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Pura vida.